Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my natural hair. Let's get closer so we can see everything in detail. So as you can see, my hairline is very thick. I have been using my hair growth oil religiously, my intense hair growth oil. So I will link it down below if you guys want to purchase one. I use it every single day. You could use it every 2 days and you'll see results in like 2 weeks. So make sure you have your edge booster gel. This is the items that we're going to be using today. And you can also use the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, or you can use the Eayon Edge Control. Today I'm going to be using the Eayon, but you could use either or. They both work the same. I'm going to be also using these two things, a small little comb and edges toothbrush. And my head wrap. This is important because this is what we're going to tie down our hair with, and we're also going to use this as a headband because it's like a 2-in-1. I will link this down below as well because I do have a limited stock available, so yeah. First, I'm going to start off using the gel. All I'm going to do is take a little bit, and as you can see, it has like a very like liquidy, mushy type of texture. I'm going to put that all over my hairline, and I'm going to start sculpting how I want the edges to look. This is very self-explanatory. You work it to your edges or what fits your face. I just want to talk a little bit about my hairline. As you can see, these little hairs that I'm just brushing out to the front, I'm smiling because I'm so excited that they grew back because I've been working on my oil for a minute, and then I noticed that it was growing, but I wanted to see drastic results and so I could show you guys. So this is my drastic results. I'm going to try to insert footage of my hairline a couple months ago, maybe from one of my wig videos so you can see. My hair was thinning out right by my temples where the braids are, but as you can see, it grew back and it's very thick. So yeah, if you want to purchase the oil, I will have it linked down below because I did restock them. They sold out last time, but they're restocked now. And I always recommend that you get 2 bottles just so you can have enough stock for your hair growth, because the first bottle is going to heal your scalp and help to get that healthy scalp area going, and then the second bottle is when you're going to see that hair sprouting and coming out. But all I'm doing is I'm putting the Style Factor gel and just scoping out how I want the edges to look, and then I'll come back when I'm putting the edge control. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the edge control. As you can see, it's brand new. So I'm just taking a little bit and I'm going to go right above where I put the gel, because I already gave myself like a guide. So now you're going to set in place the guide. Basically, the edge control is just going to hard proof the edges. And if you want a little bit more security, you can also go in with Got2b gel or freeze blast spray. I like using the Insta Hole Got2b spray, so you can use that as well, and that's just going to set in and bulletproof the hairline. So I'm just taking my time, and you want to take your time with this. Don't rush. It's not going to take long. I actually did not even speed this video up so you guys can see me in real time. And if you want to follow this type of tutorial, you can go ahead and follow it too. I did go in and use the edges brush just because I feel like the bristles gave it more of a smoother look than the comb. The comb gave it a more spacious look, but this is how this side is looking. And you can see my cornrows are crusty because I've been using my oil and my hair clearly has been growing. I only had these braids in for like 2 weeks and you can see the growth already. I'm gonna leave them until I can't see the cornrows no more. But yeah, so I'm just designing the edges how I want them to look. So I'm gonna play some music and you guys can watch me do this part. Okay, so when you're satisfied with how your edges are looking, yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. So I'm just going to tie it down with my Tropic Touches head wrap. You can purchase this on my website today. I will link them down below. Anything that I mentioned in this video, I will have it in the description box. And just tie it down. And leave it on for 5 minutes, and that's going to make sure that all the oils are gone. So I was just checking it out to see how I like it, and I love it. I love how this came out. So don't forget to shop Tropic Touches today and get you some hair growth oil so we could work on our natural hair, so you could wear your natural hair or your wigs if you feel like. It's so funny because look how my edges are so nice and then my braids are like crusty. But we're gonna get ready to start the wig process. This is gonna be a quick wig process. Listen, this is gonna be so quick. I was a little bit shook because for some reason this wig cap came with only one in the packaging, and I was like, I'm pretty sure the wig cap be having two in the packaging, but okay. Okay, so after you put on your wig cap, we're gonna get ready to put on this wig. Today's wig is provided by Eayon Hair. I already have a dedicated video on this wig, so I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. I did wash the wig. In the dedicated video, I just took it straight out the packaging because I was very shook that we are at this point where there's a lace shortage, so we have to work with this headband type of wig, but it's pretty cute. So I'm just showing you guys how the hair looked after it was washed, and I really like it. I always like Eayon Hair because I did have their full lace wig last year in the same curl pattern, and it did not disappoint. It came and gave me what I wanted. It gave me the curls, it gave me the body. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna link the unboxing video down below so you guys can see all the stuff that came in the packaging, because it did come with some accessories in the packaging. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put my Tropic Touches head wrap and use it as a headband just because I like the colors of it, and it's very like unique and cute, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this today. I'm just gonna tie it down around that little black band that they have on their wig just to cover that black band up. And then you could literally do this with anything. Even if you have like a designer headband or you just have your favorite headband, you could use that as well to tie around the hairline, and you're basically good to go. This is the quick wig. I purposely did not speed this video up just because I wanted you guys to see how quick it was for me to just do these edges and put this wig on really quick. This is like the Eayon type of wig. It's very chill vibes. Even if you can dress it up classy and stuff, but I feel like this is giving very much vacation vibes just because it's so quick to put on. And it's not really glued into your head, so you could take it off at night and wash it or whatever you want to do. So yeah, this is how it looks, and we're basically coming to the end of the video. I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for checking out the channel, and if you enjoyed this video and it was easy to follow, or you just like watching me put on my wigs, don't forget to thumbs up this video. I am showing you how the curls look. I will try to link the video from last year in the eye above, so you guys can check that out if you want to. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your post notification bell. I'm trying to be more consistent now because I was just a little bit depressed. I wasn't posting, and I don't know, I was just in my bag. So now I'm getting back to being more regularly posting. I am going to be having my filming setup video up soon because I did edit it today. So yeah, I'm just singing, giving you guys a little bit of energy. Make sure you're keeping your energy up. Don't be sad. Everybody, like, it's crazy that we're all going through this situation right now, but we're in this together. I mean, we have no choice, and I'm just showing you the back of the wig. Thank you guys so much for supporting me always, and I truly appreciate you. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know what else to say. I'm just really grateful for every single one of y'all that constantly come to my video as soon as I post, even if I'm not consistent. I want to thank you guys that go to my Instagram and follow me. Like, all of that is just insane to me that you guys even support me like this. I'm actually really shook. Thank you everybody that supports Tropic Touches. Like, y'all, I literally be up late packaging these orders for you. Like, I appreciate you guys so much. All right, you guys, so this is coming to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.